Hey guys, I'm Allie with NGM Modeling in the United States of America, and today I'm sharing some tips on how to be a model in Mumbai, India. Okay guys, so one of the things is that that's becoming quite popular is American companies or companies looking for models are going to social media and looking for models on there. So make sure that you put your location on there, because if companies are looking for models in Mumbai, make sure that you put that on there. If you're located in Mumbai, if you're located near Mumbai and can get there, put that in there so that they can reach out to you, because you know, it's a big country and we don't know you know, how close you are. If you get to it, you could be 8 hours away and not be able to get to a shoot in Mumbai. So make sure you put your location in your profile, in your bio on your social media. Next up, make sure that you're practicing your walk and your poses. We've got a ton of videos here on NGM Modeling you can go back and look at on behind the scenes and actual how to take photos and how to pose for photos and how to walk as well. These are going to be incredibly helpful to you if you don't have a ton of experience. Just practice, practice, practice. Make sure you're practicing in front of a mirror, and make sure to practice in front of people. Especially if you can grab a couple of family members or a couple of friends to come and just watch you, so that you can get used to walking and posing in front of other people, because when you get to a set, you're gonna have people you don't know you're gonna be posing in front of. So you wanna get comfortable posing and doing what you do in front of other people, even if you don't know them. Next up, make sure that you're networking, that you're reaching out to photographers and to agencies. Especially with photographers, it's going to be very helpful to do some collaborations. If you don't have a lot of experience and you don't have a lot of pictures of you modeling, make sure that you reach out to photographers and say, hey, I'm willing to collaborate because I need to get some pictures, some professional pictures to put on my social media, and then that will be helpful also for the photographer. So make sure that you can do a mutual collaboration where you're both going to get something that's going to be helpful to you both. So be reaching out to people, and then show your versatility as well in your portfolio. Are you more of a high fashion model? Are you more of a runway model? Are you a fitness model? Whatever that is, that's your specialty, or that you want to do, or that you love to do, make sure that that's what you're showcasing in your social media and in your portfolio, so that we know how to match you up to different projects when we're reaching out and trying to head into the Indian market. Next up is to use your Instagram story highlights to kind of show us a little bit about your work and to showcase your work. So show us that you're working, that you're doing projects by doing a little bit behind the scenes. Ask somebody on set, hey, will you shoot a little behind the scenes footage so that I could put this in a story highlight, or take a few pictures of me doing behind the scenes of this photo shoot, so that you can have that. Even if you're working in a collaboration, it's perfect. And you can have that in your story highlights. We can go in there and look at those highlights. It will show us how you work, and how you are on set, and how you are with direction and different things like that. So make sure that you're sharing those, saving those from your Instagram stories, and turning them into the highlights on your Instagram page. Next up, make sure that you have a professional comp card. This is something that a lot of, especially beginning models, struggle with, because they just want to make it themselves, because of course it's less expensive. But to us, that's telling us that you are not committed to actually being a model. You want to reach out to those photographers for those collaborations. They're going to help you get those pictures that you need for a nice professional comp card. And oftentimes you can find a photographer who's able to design a comp card for you. Reach out to different people. Don't be afraid to ask someone to help you out, or to offer, hey, I'll model for you for this project if you can make this for me. It's just really important to have a really nice, sharp, and professional comp card when you're trying to reach out to get jobs and being taken seriously about modeling. And the last thing I want to share is exciting news that NGM Modeling is coming to Mumbai, India. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel. We're going to have a lot more information for you guys. So subscribe so that you can stay up to date with what we're going to be doing when we head to Mumbai, and we will be looking for models. Go right to our account on Instagram, NGM Modeling, and DM us there. Let us know, hey, I'm in Mumbai, I'm interested in modeling, and then let us go check out what you've got on your social media, and we can go from there. So hopefully this was very helpful to you. Make sure you like, comment, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date with all the information, and we'll see you in Mumbai soon.